Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net. In this video, let us do a quick unboxing and review of the Redragon M913 Impact Elite Wireless Gaming Mouse. Now this is a 16,000 dpi wired and wireless mouse with 20 programmable buttons. So unboxing the box pack, here you can see we get the USB Type-C cable. Then we have the USB receiver. Then we have the actual mouse itself. This feels quite solid and looks also stylish. In our usage, we felt that this mouse is quite ergonomic too, so we use this mouse for our work purpose and also for gaming, and this served us pretty well. And you can see that to the back we have some programmable buttons in which you switch, it turns on the lights. And let us turn on the light and show you. So here you can see the RGB light turn on this gaming mouse and it looks quite cool. This mouse glides pretty easily well on any kind of surface that we use, so we used it in wooden surface and it worked pretty well. We really like the fact that this mouse can be used wired and wirelessly. So guys, this was a quick unboxing and review of the Impact Elite gaming mouse. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel as the Trendy Blog. Purchase links and the written review link will be in the description. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.